Chinese markets have been on surge over the last week. This has mainly been due to the stimulus package that was introduced by the CCP in its effort to reach the 5% GDP growth target. Is this a turning point for Chinese equities, and should you think about it in your portfolio? Firstly, if we look back to the pandemic, China didn't have a stimulus package like a lot of Western Europe or the US did. So it didn't have that boost in activity. I do think that it'll have a lagging effect on the GDP growth, and it won't be implemented straight away, but I think it's more the narrative that comes with it, that the CCP is willing to do anything to try and reach that 5% target, and it may in future down the line implement more measures if needed. So is this the time to think about Chinese equities in your portfolio? I think it's a good turning point. I've been bullish on Chinese equities for a long time. I think been proven wrong a lot of the times when it opened up in 2022. I do think this is a good turning point to maybe look at China or Hong Kong in your emerging market portfolio. Maybe if you've been holding some portion of Indian equities that have done very well over that, maybe have a look at that narrative of trading some out into India, into China for a kind of long-term perspective. Again, it's still got the fundamentals are the same. It's still got problems with the property market, still got an aging population, and the consumer isn't spending as of yet. So they do need to really emphasize these problems, but I do see this as a shifting point for Chinese equities, and it's particularly the narrative in what the CCP is willing to do to reach the GDP growth that may have a positive effect for long-term portfolios if you are looking to reweight into Chinese equities.